Hi, I'm Al Damey with Carbon Real Estate Group, and today we're going to show you our latest great listing. This one is at Harborview Estates 3, known as 5 Mariner Terrace, and we're standing in Unit 1703. This is a 2-bedroom plus den condo with 2 full bathrooms, comes with parking and locker, and it's 1,268 square feet. So this is what we call a family-sized unit, or as I like to think of it, a house in the sky. You know what I love about the kitchen? It actually has full-size appliances, so it's a real kitchen. And you have a brand new gas stove, new microwave, new dishwasher, and stainless steel fridge all in one package, and with plenty of countertop space, storage, and even a pantry back there in the corner. The split bedroom plan gives you the most flexibility because if you're a family, you can have the parents' room separate from your child's room, or if you're entertaining friends and you have guests that stay over, they've got their own privacy with a bathroom right across the hall from the bedroom. In addition, the master bedroom has a walk-in closet and its own master ensuite with a separate tub and shower. What makes this particular building so highly desirable is its location within the Concord City Place community. It's in the southeast corner of the development, which guarantees you completely unobstructed views facing south, which gives you a wonderful view of the lake. In addition, the community has been developing with brand new public school, Catholic school, and community center, as well as Canoe Landing Park. So if this type of unit interests you or somebody that you know, be sure to get them out quickly because they do not last very long. This is a great long-term investment or long-term residence for either a couple or a family or somebody downsizing from a house and wants to be right in the heart of the action. You're walking distance to the lake, walking distance to grocery, sporting events. You've got King West restaurants and nightlife. You've got the Queen West shopping. Everything is here. And as well, if you have to get out of the city, the highway access is about as easy as you can get. It's right around the corner. So check it out today. It won't last long. We'll hope to see you soon. And don't forget to follow us on social media.